Good morning, diesel fans. DB and Will, Diesel Power Source. Hey, today we're going to learn more about our Turbonator VGT Turbo.
The Turbonator is a performance-based VGT. This turbo will reduce your spool-up time by 200 to 400 RPMs. It will clean up your smoke. It's one of the cleanest running turbos there is. However, there's a few things that we want to clarify about the Turbonator.
Huge improvements, by the way. What we have today, a complete VGT Holset stock turbo off the Cummins. The center section, you'll see the stators have high soot buildup. With this, for exhaust braking, it brings the housing down and it'll slide, and this is where a sticking point where a lot of the failures come in. We've corrected that with the Turbonator VGT Turbo.
Yeah, we made the Turbonator so it will perform in a high soot environment really well. And that is done by not using the sliding mechanism on the Holset, but using a pivoting stator technology. This allows so it can open and shut and not stick. And also we've made it so if you have a truck you want to put this on, you can buy the whole turbo, whole Turbonator turbo, or you can just buy the housing. We've got a mechanical one here. We've got an electronic version here. The biggest difference is what, DB?
With the electronic version, you get exhaust braking. And yes, you guys with the Cummins 5.9, 24 valve, 12 valve, you will have exhaust braking capability.
The performance, it's a game changer all around. We haven't just taken care of the Cummins guys, we also have a Ford option, right?
We've got the Ford guys. I know there's a lot of you out there, and we're working on some other projects. But right now, we have a Turbonator VGT kit for the 6.0 Power Stroke.
That's right. Right here is the Garrett stock turbo. You just remove this along with some other parts. That's the most difficult part of the whole install, is taking this out. There's some difficult bolts. Other than that, use our pedestal, the parts we give you in the kit, and this installs right inside underneath the hood. Once you get it on, you will love what it does for your 6.0. You will love it. It changes the drivability. It spools up quicker. It's just a big change. In fact, what's the best part about the install, DB?
You do not have to lift the cab off the truck at all. Time saver. Just install it all in under the hood.
So just to recap, what do we got here?
Our Turbonator VGT will not fit the stock Holset VGT housing. Okay, and then on the 6.0, it has to replace the Garrett Complete Turbo.
But it will fit an S300, S400 base turbo if you already have one, or you can get the full thing. It will fit the 6.7 Cummins, the 5.9 Cummins, all the gens. It will also fit the 6.0 Ford. We're working on the 7.3. That will be coming soon. We're also working on a 6.4 liter for the Ford. But right now, we've got a lot of options. You'll love what it does. Get yourself a Turbonator Turbo, and your truck will become a joy to drive. I promise you.
Definitely. And if you have any questions, post it, ask away, email us. We'll address them as quickly as we can. But thank you for joining us. DB and Will, Diesel Power Source.